Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Lexar Professional 128 GB SD card. Now this is not your normal SD card, it actually runs on the UHS-II standard. You get really high speed data transfer rate. So basically, as you can see, with this card in your camera, you can get up to 250 MB per second read speed and up to 120 MB per second write speed, which is really fast. So it basically speeds up your entire workflow. You can capture and transfer, up to 4K and probably higher. It says up to 4K, so you can capture and transfer images, video up to 4K, and it does it really fast. So this is a really good card if you're looking to upgrade, say just to get faster results from your workflow. So this is the silver series. By the way, it's the 1667 SDX. It runs on the UHS-II standard, as I mentioned before. Again, like I said, you can capture high quality images, extended lengths with your, say, DSLR camera. It works with your HD camcorder or with a 3D camera. Now, the important thing to note that this is also backwards compatible. So if you say have a camera that does not support the UHS-II standard but supports the older UHS-I standard, then you can still use this card. It is backward compatible. So it'll work on your older cameras as well. So let's just go ahead and open this up. It says to cut over here. I mean, it's nothing much. It's just the card. You get the size over here. The card itself is in there. And I shall open it up from the back. So there you are, that's the card. I'll hold it up for you guys to see. Again, it's an SD card, but it's a very powerful SD card with some really fast speeds. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Lexar Professional 128 GB UHS-II SDXC SD card. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.